Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series Math for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 39. Look at this, children. This is 0 in number and this is 0 in word, and there is nothing in this box, there is no dot in this box. This means 0. This is 1 in number and this is 1 in word, and this is 1 dot. This is 2 in number and this is 2 in word, and these are 2 dots. This is 3 in number and this is 3 in word, and these are 3 dots. This is 4 in number and this is 4 in word, and these are 4 dots. This is 5 in number, this is 5 in word, and these are 5 dots. This is 6 in number, this is 6 in word, and these are 6 dots. This is 7 in number and this is 7 in word, these are 7 dots. This is 8 in number and this is 8 in word, and these are 8 dots. This is 9 in number, this is 9 in word, and these are 9 dots. This is 10 in number and this is 10 in word, and these are 10 dots. Children, now you have to write the numbers in words and dots. This is 0 in number, this is 0 in word, and there are 0 dots in this box, there is nothing. This is 1 in number, this is 1 in word, and this is 1 dot. Likewise, children, now you have to write 2 in number in this box and 2 in word on this line, and you have to put 2 dots in this box. Children, you have to write 3 in number in this box and 3 in word on this line, and you have to put 3 dots in this box. Children, you have to write 4 in number in this box and then 4 in word on this line, and then you have to write 4 dots on this box. Children, this is 5 in number and this is 5 in word. Children, you have to write 5 in number in this box and 5 in word on this line, and then you have to put 5 dots in this box. Children, you have to write 6 in number in this box and 6 in word on this line, and you have to put 6 dots in this box. Children, you have to write 7 in number in this box, 7 in word on this line, and 7 dots you have to put in this box. Children, you have to write 8 in number in this box and 8 in word on this line, and you have to put 8 dots in this box. Children, you have to write 9 in number in this box and 9 in word on this line, and you have to put 9 dots in this box. Children, you have to write 10 in number in this box and 10 in word on this line, and then you have to put 10 dots in this box. This was our page number 39, children, and this is page number 40. Look at this, children. On this we are going to introduce the concept of addition. Adding one thing to another is called addition, and this is the symbol of addition. Look at this, children. Adding one thing to another is called addition. As you can see this in red color, this is the symbol of addition. Children, now you have to trace this symbol of addition. You have to put your pencil on the starting point and follow the arrows in these two boxes, and then you have to write the symbol of addition by yourself in these boxes. Children, this is the equal sign, and this equal sign shows the results. As you can see in the red color, this is the sign of equal, and this shows the result. Children, now you have to trace this equal sign in these boxes, and then you have to write the equal sign in the remaining boxes by yourself. Look at this, children. This is 1 apple plus 1 more apple equals to 2 apples. This is 1 apple, children, this is another 1 apple, children, and these are 2 apples. Likewise, children, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Listen again, children, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Likewise, children, now look at this. This is 1 candle plus 1 more candle equals to 2 candles. Likewise, children, 1 plus 1 equals to 2 candles. Children, now you have to write number 2 here. Listen again, children, this is 1 candle plus another 1 candle equals to 2 candles. This means 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Children, you have to write number 2 here by yourself because there are 2 candles. Look at this, children, this is 1 car plus 1 more car equals to 2 cars. This means 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Children, now you have to write number 1 here. This is addition plus sign, and then we have to write 1 more here equals to 2 cars. Children, we have to write number 2 here. This means 1 plus 1 equals to 2. This was our page number 40.